Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi ta'ala wabarakatuh and good day, ma'am. This is my short video about the Bendigo and Adelaide Bank. So the question number 1, what were the main challenges that prompted Bendigo and Adelaide Bank to revise its strategy? The bank, facing increasing competition from larger banks and fintech firms, legacy system were outdated, complex, and costly to maintain. Question number 2, how did the bank legacy system impact its ability to innovate? Legacy system were still not easily integrate with modern digital tools. This slowed down data processing, limiting real-time decision-making. The question number 3, what were the 4 key objectives bank high strategy? Improving operational efficiency and reduce cost, enhance customer experience and engagement through the digital services. Why do you think cloud mission may prioritize in the bank digital information? Cloud offers scalability, flexibility, and cost savings. It is enable faster innovation by allowing integration with fintech solution. How did the strategy contribute to both operational efficiency and customer engagement? Efficiency. Streamlined file processing, reduce manual tasks, and lower IT costs. Engagement. Enhanced digital platform, app online banking that improve convenience and personalized experiences. In what ways the bank balance technological upgrades with its community's focus values? By ensuring technology investments support accessibility for rural and regional customers. Could the bank achieve similar research cloud infrastructure? Why or why not? Like no, because prem-size systems are expensive, flexible, and harder to scale. Cloud allow agility, agility, faster innovation, cost effectiveness with traditional infrastructure could not provide. What risks might arise from relying heavily on third-party cloud providers? So, data security, privacy concerns, potential vendors lack in limiting flexibility. How might the bank high strategy involve in resource response to future fintech disruptions? Greater adoptions of AI, machine learning, and data analytics, professional services. Strong partnership with fintech to co-create solutions. If you really a similar transformation in a smaller regional bank, which part of Bindigo strategy would you adopt first? I would prioritize cloud migrations and system modernization to build a scalable foundation